Okay, guys. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Then actually, when I announced the team list, many of you asked to change your teammates, as you all said that you don't know about your co-teammates. For that, I talked with my GDSC core team members. They said that um, let let the team merge into 5 teams so that everyone can handle each situation, so that work pressure also will be less. So don't think that that team is final. We'll provide new teams within 2 days, and by with in 1 hour I will share the course link in our group so that you all can access your course. And the form which I have sent on Monday, I think many of you gave your Google profile links wrong. It can't give access to me to view your profile, so it makes difficult to watch your progress to me. So I'll show you how to paste the link in the group. So you all can copy your link and paste here in our WhatsApp group with your name, so that it makes easy to watch your progress. And I'll show you how's the course look like. Actually, this is the course. I'm able to hear. Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, we able to hear, but we cannot see your screen.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Forward. Is it visible, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. This is the course link. I'll share in our ASA group. Android Basics in Kotlin. In this course, we are going to learn about the Kotlin programming language. After learning this course, we can able to make the apps using Kotlin in Android Studio. Actually, many of you think that for building apps, developer use Java language, but Kotlin is much more important and easy to learn, better than Java. It needs less code, and it takes less time to compile, and the compilation of code also takes less time. Then the return part of code in Kotlin is less compared to Java programming code. So we have chosen this Android course using Kotlin. After after getting into this link, you have to join with your Google account, so that your batches can be sent into your Google account. Otherwise, if you complete your course also, it makes no sense. We have 6 units. Unit 1 Kotlin basics, Unit 2 layouts, Unit 3 navigation, Unit 4 connect to the internet, Unit 5 data persistence, and Unit 6 work manager. And we have to start learning these 6 units from today. And we have to make apps according to what you have learned from this course. And you have to use at least 3 concepts in building that app. As I already said that we have 3 categories for choosing an idea to build the app. We can choose either e-commerce site or a community site which gives the information about education resources, or about sports or something, etc. And also a school app which contains attendance tools, syllabus, ranks, results, etc. You can choose any of the category from that and start working on it. But you have to use Kotlin as your primary language, and you must use Android Studio, because without Android Studio you can't run the app. I mean, you can't make the app. And you have to use at least 3 concepts from here, so that your app may have a chance to get featured in Google website. I mean, in Google social media handles. And you also have a chance to win the professional Android developer certificate directly from Google. It's almost 80% free, and we have to pay 20% amount. Actually, original cost was nearly 30 to 40K. So it comes to you for around 2000 or 1500. So don't think up to that. First, try to complete all these course and try to work out on it. Yeah, let me show you how this look like. After getting in this web page, click on explore button. You will see different pathways. If you finish these pathways and also if you attempt the quiz, you are going to earn this batch. Like like that, you will gain four batches in unit one. For every pathway, you have a quiz. After giving a successful quiz, you are going to earn your batches. All your batches are sent to your Google Developer profile. For that, for that access, I need to for that I need to access your Google profile. That's why I'm asking your Google Developer profile link. But many of you gave wrong, so no problem. I'll show you. I'll send video once again how to copy the link and send that link in our WhatsApp group with your name. Like that, we have 6 units. uh, don't do like this, guys. Many of you are thinking that first of all we need to complete the course and then we will start building our app. Actually, that's wrong idea actually, because while we are learning only, we have to implementing that in Android Studio, so that it gives much more practice to us. And also it doesn't makes us feel bored. We can enjoy working this. So try to implement while learning only. So if you so if some if some concepts doesn't understand by you, you can contact me, you can message me through WhatsApp, or any of us will explain you. We are going to guide you, don't worry. But try to start building your app while learning only. Don't think that first we'll complete the course and then we'll start building app. It makes no use. You'll forget everything after completing the course when you try to start building your app. Again, you have to refer to units for everything. So first complete unit 1 Kotlin basics and then install Android Studio. Then start learning from layouts unit 2 and try to implementing in your app according to your idea. You can also, other than these concepts, you can also use other features to your app to look great and beautiful. You can take the resources from YouTube or GitHub, but after completing your project you must upload your project file completely into GitHub, and you have to make it public so that anyone can access the project. I mean the project code and project idea. And actually it's a good chance to you all to explore yourselves. Google is directly giving the professional Android developer certificate for approx 80% reimbursement free for those who complete the courses and submit one app, which is based on these concepts which I have learned from this course. That's it, guys, about this course. I'll share this link within 1 hour. Anyone had any doubts? I'll clarify now.
Can you open Android Studios since we are all new to it? You want to know how it starts and how it works.
Yeah,
Just
actually,
a basic idea.
yeah, I didn't install in it. I just downloaded. I have to do setup file. For that, I'll hold another meeting tomorrow or day after tomorrow. For first unit, you don't need Android Studio. After second unit, you must need Android Studio. So uh, while you before completing unit one, I'll hold another meeting and I will show you how to set up Android Studio. I mean, I'll show you how it works Android
Okay,
Studio.
sure.
I have sent a video in our WhatsApp group how to install SDK file and Android Studio. Follow that video. Do as they show in YouTube. Other than that, any doubts, guys? Yeah, time limit. We have a time limit up to January 6th. By January 6th, you have to complete the course. I mean, you have to earn all 16 batches, and also you have to submit one app from your team. Don't worry about your team, guys. I will announce you within 1 or 2 days. Still, while learning the course, if you feel difficult in
Um,
any topic, I'm going to host a meeting and I'll explain myself to you all. Don't worry about that. We
yeah,
all
this is the
okay.
sorry, I have a doubt. This is the first time where we are working as a group, right? So, how do we manage working? I mean,
Yeah,
we
okay.
have say, individual profiles and we need to work as a group. So, how do we manage
Yeah,
that?
for that I'll say one thing. Yeah, someone asked that should we complete this units team wise or individually. You have to complete these units individually so that your profile will so that the batches will get to your profile. But you all six, I mean your all teammates can work on single project. How to manage being a team with I mean many of you don't know about your core teammates, but how do you manage with them? You all have a doubt. Yesterday I received many of the messages like this only. So don't worry about that. Uh, Create a group for your teammates and think for an idea while learning unit 1, and for that work on that idea. For that idea, what you all needed, I mean what type of layout you needed, what type of navigation key you want, I mean how many pages you want to create. Yeah, 1 minute guys. Yeah, Shaman Chandani. Okay, how different is Kotlin from Java? Brief me out. I'll explain that. Please hold on for a minute. Yeah, choose one. Take one category for your team, for yourself in your team, so that everyone can work on that project, and each will get experience on working on the project. And if your co-teammates are working, you also can learn from them. If one is working for if one is working for UI or UX design, another one works for Kotlin code, another one works for writing content in that app, and another one works for designing or pictures. Like that, you have to separate your work to your teammates, so it feels, I mean it feels comfortable with them also. Is it okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, how different is Kotlin from Java? I think Kotlin is not totally different from Java. It refers almost same, but it has uh, some compile time errors. Will I mean it takes less time to code, and while compared to Java, but it almost looks similar to Java. While learning the course, you can I mean you are going to confirm about that. Yeah, okay. Other than that, any doubts, guys? Yeah, you are all going to get certificates for free,
Uh,
those who complete these
yeah,
tracks and earn 16 batches. Yeah, okay.
okay, we need to work on a project, right? A group.
Yeah,
What should we do after that? How do we show it to you or the Google developer team?
yeah. You have to do the project in GitHub, create a work folder in GitHub, and so in that repository, you all can work together from I mean from your homes only, so that whoever want to do the work, they can update in GitHub, so that in everyone present in the group will get that update.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. When to start? You can start from today. There is no, I mean, there is no conditions to start. But by Jan 6th, you have to complete these tasks. Still any doubts, guys? Anyone? One thing I want to say, guys, I mean, if you complete this course, you are able to learn Kotlin programming language. So that I don't say that you will get to an advanced level, but you get to know what is Kotlin and how to do code in Kotlin for building an apps. You will cross the beginner level and you will enter into moderate level, so that it makes useful to you and it also easy to learn. All we need you is your active participation and a healthy competition. Don't think that only our team app should get success. You all have to help each other on working your project only. If some team is stuck with an problem, we all have to sort it out, so that they also can submit their app. Any one app will get selected from our campus if it looks good, and it may get future into your Google blogs or Google web pages. They have that rights. Yesterday when they hold a meeting, they said this. It's a good chance to explore yourself and show your skills, and it doesn't require any pre-programming experience. With the basic math skills and the computer knowledge, you can start this course. Do you mean each person in a team have to work which is same? Yeah, I mean, you have to work on the same idea, not on not on same concept. If someone want to create an e-commerce app, one is working on the UI UX, I mean the design of the app, and someone is working on the content, and content means I mean how it look like home sign in we all get while when we open Amazon. So someone is work on the navigation page, I mean link to the another page. When we click the product, it enters into the new page. Like that, each teammate will work on one thing. If your idea has only five different tasks, two teammates two teammates can work on same thing, so that you can learn this course like in a community. Feel free to learn. You can ask me doubts anytime. I'll respond within no time. We are ready to explain you. We are ready to sort your doubts. Don't think that
Yeah, and it was
I know this course. I'm also learning with you, but I started 1 week ago only. I don't know about anything in this course, but I started last 1 week, I think. I'm getting know. Actually it's quite easy. You all can do it, I know. Yeah, okay.
yeah, another suggestion like, can we get our teams soon so that we'll get to know each other and we'll
Yeah,
create
but
better personalities?
maximum I'll try to announce teams by tonight only.
Okay, thank you.
Still any doubts, guys? Please be active in that group. If you are stuck with any doubt, upload the screenshot and with a description, describe your issue, so that while we all are learning this course, if anyone get an idea how to solve, they'll explain you. I mean, they'll guide you how to solve that, so that while explaining you, they are gaining the experience how to solve the issue. You are also knowing that the solution for that issue, so that you are all can get benefited. This is the main motto of this study jams, where we learn each other together in a community and grow by gaining the knowledge and skills. Yeah, do we need laptop to do all this, or mobile is enough? Yeah, as I mentioned in Google form, those who don't have a laptop, don't worry about that. When you're doing an app, host a meeting with your teammates, so that you can see, I mean you can able to see the code, how he or she is writing in her laptop. So you can complete the course in mobile only, but if you want to implement, you must need a laptop. For that problem, we have created a teams, so that at least in a team, for approx 5 members will have a laptop, so you all can work together for that. Is it okay?
Uh, Excuse me, can I ask a doubt?
Yeah.
As you said that this course is totally online, so I don't have a laptop. So how can I work on it?
Yeah, this course is totally online. You can complete this course modules in your mobile also. But if you want to implement, you must need a laptop. I mean,
Okay,
there is
without
another,
lap.
what?
Yeah. No, no. You please continue.
There is no condition like that. You must need a laptop to enroll in this course. You can learn
Okay.
from your mobile using the course link, but please be active with your core teammates so that while when they start contributing to your to your idea for building an app, you all can host a meeting and share your friend skin who is writing the code so that you all can see the code, how she is writing, why he or she had written that part, so you are going to learn in that
Okay.
perspective.
Okay. Can I ask one more doubt?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, without laptop, can I get a certificate like after completion of this course
Yeah,
in
definitely.
mobile?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. Still any doubts, guys? Feel free to ask. I'm also your co-friend or junior to you all. I'm also a bit tense on first meet, but with your all help, I really managed very well. I'm thinking like that. I'm able to clear all your doubts. Do anyone has any doubts? It could be anything. For how to paste the Google profile link, I will share a video once again. Please follow that. And if you have any doubts, please message me. I will guide you on how to copy the link and make your Google profile public so that it can give access to me to watch your progress. So that I will report to Google team so you can earn certificates. Little bit tense on doing project since it is first time. Can you please give some suggestion? Yeah, don't worry about that. We all are learners. We have to learn from our mistakes only. But we all need, I mean, we all must give a try. Don't think that I don't have any programming experience. I mean, I don't have any app developer experience. How can I manage it? Well, don't think don't think like that. While learning the course, try to prepare notes or if you can manage, you can manage with these PDFs and try to get the idea behind the code and when we use, how we use, where we use, and try to implement in Android Studio. If you had any doubt regarding how to start building the app, how to start the code, I mean, if I get stuck in this, you can message me, or if you can also message in our group, so we'll solve within no time. It's a learning experience. It's for learning experience only. Basically the study jam is for you all can learn and work while, I mean, practice while building the app so that you all can get experience. Yeah, okay. Still any doubts?
Hey, Vibin, just a small thing, Mamsi. Can I do it?
Yeah, okay.
I think, yeah, I've done this cloud experience I have from the cloud. One thing while you're doing is that please remember your passwords and all. What are you all typing in there? Because that is very important. And also, when you create your profiles on what I mean, he's going to send right Vamsi. So remember those passwords and what you are writing over there and what you send. Please be careful in what you're doing because once you did a mistake, you cannot change it sometimes, and you cannot earn the certificates. Last time many people have got that problem. So hopefully from that experience, remember your passwords, remember your profiles, I mean profile passwords, which are very important, and also give the right ones, and also give public I mean viewing thing, so that he can uh, report it to the higher authorities. So very important thing, guys, don't forget. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Aparanjali. Actually, I need to share one experience, guys. Last in last month, we all have being a GDSC core team members. We all have done a cloud course, cloud challenge for 30 days. It's a new to all of us. We don't have any idea about cloud. We all know that a cloud is a storage like about like our Google Photos, Google Drive. We can store with no physical memory card or a storage device. But with no experience, only we started learning that and started doing labs. While doing that, only we all gained much experience. So be confident. Don't think that I can't do it. You all can able to manage it very well. Kotlin is one of the easy course compared to Java. After learning the course, you will enter into a moderator level. You can get an idea about how to build the app, how you can start building the basic apps, so that many of you can also choose this as a career option. As many, I saw many people that while doing the work, if they like very much, they started to learn much more about the topic, so that they start studying or researching about the topic, and they are all going to gain the knowledge about the topic and present on the work, so they all can get to grow. It's a learning experience only. If you did wrong also, nobody will scold you. Okay, don't worry about the certificates. Try to complete the course and earn 16 batches. Any doubts, guys? Anyone? At least type no in message box so that I can see that you are all active in this meeting. If you have doubts, keep message yes. If you have no doubts, keep message no. One thing is that, guys, I want to say really thanks to all of us for responding to ASJ. Being a facilitator, I was first bit tensed. How can I manage? How could I manage well for adding you as all of our team? So I received nearly 56 responses. Really happy for that. Thank you, all of us. We'll make this journey, and we all can grow each other by sharing our knowledge. Yeah, okay. After starting that out, only the real project starts. We have a community group. I mean, we have our group in our WhatsApp. You can share your doubt at any time. Anyone, either if I was absent to respond you, any one of us will respond to your doubt, so that you'll get your quest will be solved. Don't worry about that. Yeah, when you'll get the doubts only, your it mean it is going to your brains. If you are getting questions, so that you can able to search for answers also, how to solve that issue, and we will help you on that. Don't worry about that. Still any doubts, guys? Yeah, okay. Jayant, I'll introduce the teams in our group by today night. Don't worry about that.
Also, please, when are you going to start? I mean, send that link to us.
Course link after this meeting ends.
Mm, okay, thanks.
Guys, after receiving the link, please check that if your the account which you have created Google developer profile only has signed in. If you if another mail is registered for that course, you all get batches in that account, and you all gave me another account. Some of you gave right Google developer profiles, some of you gave wrong. No problem for that. I will share video and I will ask them once again. Don't worry about that. Please be careful while doing the course because a single mistake can lead to loss your certificate. Please be careful.